$100,057 is what I've been able to make in affiliate commissions just in the last 60 days. How's it going, guys? My name is David 𝐏𝐸𝐿 and this is
Karina.
And today in this video, I want to show you exactly how I've been able to make $100,057 with affiliate commissions just in the last 60 days with 100% free traffic. So if you're interested in making affiliate commissions, I'm actually going to be hosting a few webinars this week, and I want you to click the link down here and go register for the webinar. It's going to basically invite you to the webinar. It's going to show you the exact affiliate marketing campaign that I use, because I am using an affiliate marketing campaign and it has all the emails built in, the follow-up, the videos, the webinar, everything is built in essentially, and you can use it too. And if you want to check it out, again, just click the link just below. Now, with that being said, here's the thing. Anybody can come on a video and tell you, look, I'm making this much, I'm making that much. But check this out. Just today, if I swipe the screen down here, you can see right there, I don't know if I could draw on the screen here, but you can see right there, a new order came in at 8/21 for $1,997 that I've made with my affiliate marketing campaign. And I'm actually going to be going into the actual live accounts and show you live. So this is one of the programs that I'm promoting. Let me just refresh this. So if we scroll down here, you can see that I've gotten 118 sales, as you can see right there. And a total made from just this program is $58,850. That's in exactly 60 days. I started September 19. Today, right now, as I'm recording it, is November 18. So that's exactly 60 days for this time period to be able to make these commissions. Now, this is just one of the income streams that I'm making commissions on. Let me show you the other ones. So check this out. This is my shopping cart. This is also where I collect commissions. So as you can see right there, look at the dates, September 19 to November 18, which is today, 2022. And if we scroll down, just give it a second to load, that's another net sales, $41,207, as you can see right there, in a 60-day period. And if you add these two up, let's go here. As you can see, I've been able to do just in the last 60 days, $100,057, which is $58,850 plus the $41,207. That's in exactly 60 days. And this is pure affiliate commissions that I've been able to do. Now, let me just go back here and explain a few things. All of this was done with 100% free traffic. In fact, I can tell you what my traffic sources are. I go deep into them and exactly how I leverage them on the webinar, which you can register for right here. But essentially, I'm using YouTube as one of my traffic sources, and the other traffic source is Facebook. Both of them are free. We're not talking about paid ads or anything here. And both of them have generated me $100,000 in affiliate commissions just in the last 60 days. Now, if you're looking at this and you're thinking, well, David, that's great, but I'm camera shy or I don't know what to say in videos and stuff. Okay, that's cool. There's a way that I can actually help you by not only letting you leverage my exact campaign, which again, you can check out right here. I have a webinar about how you can leverage my exact campaign, the same offers, the same pages, the same videos I use, the same webinar, the same bonuses, the same videos, the same members area, the same everything. Not a similar campaign, but the same campaign. And on top of that, if you actually join my team, my personal team, by clicking on the link just below here, what I'm going to do for you is this. I've prepared a special bonus package for only my team members. And again, you can click here and you can go check it out. This is for our team only. And one of the bonuses that you get with it is the ability to leverage my YouTube videos. So the same videos, like example, you're watching this video right now, right? How would you like to be able to take this exact video, this video right here, and leverage it on your social media marketing, which I show you exactly how to do that. Not only are you going to be able to generate traffic from it, but you actually get to keep 100% of that traffic. and 100% of whatever commissions it generates. So think about that. You didn't lift a finger to record a single video, and you're able to generate traffic and send it to a high ticket offer that can potentially generate you thousands of dollars in commissions. Just yesterday, I had a $4,000 day. Today, a $2,000 day. And it's not just me. Many of my members have been doing that as well. So what I want to do is this. I want to tell you about one more special bonus and about a secret software that I actually use that helps me grow my social media on autopilot. Because if you're going to be leveraging social media to generate traffic, you're going to need followers, right? So how do you get followers? Well, first of all, I have all the training right in the webinar here. So if you're interested in generating, commissions online from free traffic, you definitely want to look at that. And on top of that, I'm going to hook you up with a secret software that's actually selling for $2,000. I'm going to be hooking you up with it when you join my team. And that's just one little piece of a much larger bonus package. If you want to find out about how the whole bonus package works, all you want to do is click the link below, right here, the first link in the video description, and go check it out. Now, if you're watching this on Facebook, all you need to do is just comment down below and say more info, and I'll basically message you more info about this. Or if you're watching this on my webpage, then somewhere on this page, there's going to be like a button or something for you to click on. So as you can see, Karina is back there doing some coding, right? Mm-hmm. She's learning how to code and how to make web pages and stuff. I happen to be a coder too, so I build my own funnels and stuff, and I'm going to let you use my own funnel that I've already built that's been paying me thousands of dollars per day. In fact, again, $100,000 in 60 days. Now, one more thing that I want to mention before I wrap up this video. Really, really important. I'm actually running a giveaway right now for a 3-night luxurious hotel stay in sunny San Diego. So no matter where you are in the world, if it's winter or if it's too cold, you can basically get a chance to win a 3-night hotel stay in sunny San Diego and go enjoy yourself right on the beautiful beaches and the nice weather and everything else that they have there. I've been there. It's absolutely gorgeous. For a chance to win, here's what you need to do. Click on the subscribe button and make sure to take the bell notifications icon. That's the first thing you need to do to be able to get a chance to win. The second thing, leave a comment down below. Something like, I want to go to San Diego. And third thing, make sure to hit the like on this video. Now, the second comment in the first comment in the video description is going to have 2 links. The first link is to go register for the webinar. And the second comment is going to be for you to get to the get a chance to enter to the giveaway, to enter your name into the giveaway. So I want you to go ahead and do that.